Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add ranking questions in Google Form. So it will be really simple and easy. On the Google Form right here, the first thing that you need to do is to click this part right here where you can choose multiple options, whether you want it to be short answer or a paragraph, checkboxes, drop down and so on. Now, since we want to add a ranking question right here, as you can see, Google Form doesn't have that feature yet, but we can do that alternatively by clicking this multiple choice grid. And then what you have to do is rows and columns will show up right here. What you have to do is on the column, this is where we are going to put the ranking of each question that we are going to put on the row right here. So let's say for example, this is what we are going to add. Now once you have added those, make sure that you require a response in each row. And then once you do that, if you go here and check the preview of your question, this is what it will look like. So they are going to rank it based on this one. So this is the example that they want to rank it like this. Number 5 being the last, number 1 being the first. So that is how they can rank them. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to add ranking questions in Google Form. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.